Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. BBAI, Big Bear AI. Let's talk about it. Let's talk stocks here. Let's talk about BBAI. So it skyrocketed from 3 to 10. Some people in my Discord made money off of it. One dummy in my Discord bought the top because he wants to get rich quick, so he took the loss on that. And I think he left the Discord finally. His name is Seb Luke. He finally left the Discord. He canceled his membership. Finally. I'm surprised he didn't leave sooner. That guy just kept trying to get rich quick. I'm sure he's going to another Discord, and he's just going to get destroyed. People are just going to take his money because he's just completely out of his mind, quite frankly. He's still, after all these months, he still wants to, get rich quick. And I told this guy, all you got to do is wait for it to get cheap and just accumulate it and then sell it to the people who chase, not the other way around. And that's why I'm here to tell you, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. This stock isn't, and I've said this with other stocks, this stock isn't going down because it's a bad company. It's not a video game, first of all, if anyone gets that reference, damn. But it's a good company that gets a lot of PRs and that gets a lot of contracts over the course of years. And you take advantage of those contracts that cause spikes in the share price by buying low, buying when it's quiet. Yeah, I'm showing you the monthly chart, and you can see spike and tanks, spike and tank, spike, and we would expect it to tank. Here it tanked for 3 months before bottoming out at around $1.20 to $1.40. $2 is really the line in the sand here on the monthly. If that doesn't hold, we're coming down to like 120 to 140. So we would expect this to come down to $2. And then if that doesn't hold, we're going into the ones. I would say accumulate maybe 1/4 of your position at $2 and then hold the other 3/4 for $1.20-ish, $1.40-ish, somewhere around there. Let it come down, let it bleed, let it come down nice and cheap. I mean, it does it all the time. It pumps huge and then it bleeds out. This has been happening since 2023. Look at that. Do you see the pattern here? It's kind of funny how it works, right? So why would you want to buy up here? You would want to buy when it's bleeding. And then you exercise patience and discipline so that when it does go 3x, 5x, 8x, 10x, or whatever, you can dump it on the suckers that chase, like that Sebluk guy. Or Sublek, or whatever his name is. Sebluk, Sublek. I forgot his name, something like that. So, I implore you to exercise patience and discipline here. I'm waiting for $1.50-ish, and then I'll analyze again from there. Let it bleed out. We might have another month of red here. If history is anything to go by, we might bleed out for another month. So, yeah, we would expect May to be maybe a bleed out month. And then we would find support, maybe at $2. If not, we'd find it down there at ones, because that's the biggest support is down here. You can see at 128, it just held it. So we'll see if 2 holds. It doesn't have a history of holding. It kind of just touches it and then eventually comes down to that bigger level down there, that bigger support level. So that's my analysis for BBAI. You want to buy it here now when it's cheap, when it skyrockets to 5 and 10, dump it on people and laugh all the way to the bank.